Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. Today is February the 18th. We are out here on our first job of the day, our only job of the day. We only do about one job a day. Bid or red, do we do two? So anyway, this is a new client, Miss Deidre. Just like most of my jobs, she sent me pictures. She found me online. Usually people will watch videos. They'll see some of my work, read the reviews, and she sent me pictures. Also got the measurements. We're almost at 800 square feet. I'm going to be doing a screen and recoat, 250 a square foot. And she also said, Courtney, I want to go with a matte finish. She said, I see some of those floors you do, and I don't want my floor shiny. So guys, this floor is definitely in need of a good screen and recoat, which you're going to see. Also, had a client also sent me pictures yesterday of a commercial property. It's like a big ballroom, and they're going to be, it's almost 2,700 square feet. They're going to be going with the screen and recoat, also with UV cure, and we're going to possibly be doing that job next week. So anyway, guys, let me flip this around and show you what we're doing on this beautiful day. All right, so again, we are in a neighborhood in Fairburn, Georgia, kind of like the southwest Atlanta area, not far from the airport. So this is what we're going to be doing, guys. I got Tavares with me. He actually went and had the van washed and detailed yesterday, so you want to keep that nice clean image. So anyway, guys, these are the floors. Client has all the furniture moved out the way, and so we can see, man, we see a lot of scuff marks all the way through the kitchen. These floors are stained. We're going to be doing some light color correction. So if you look from this angle, look at that, guys. I'm going to zoom in. See all that? We're going to get all this removed from the floor today. All right. And then this is the area. See all right here. See all these surface, these are what we call surface scratches, and also scuff marks. Right here, man, there's just really just no finish on the floor, high traffic area. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, guys. I'm going to give this floor a good. All right, see y'all right here. We're going to give this floor a really good screening. Also want to do a little light color correction. We kind of see here and there. And yeah, and let me see right here, see all that? That is an indication of a good screen or recoat. All right, guys, go ahead and get started. Stay tuned. All right, guys. Clean and tacking going down, and then after the clean and tacking, we got a little few areas here and there. I'm just going to do some color correction, just kind of fill some of the color in. She has a lot of split boards. It's probably the grain of the wood, because wood comes in different grains, and so you see like little stuff like that, little stuff like here, right there. I'm just going to do a little color correction, complementary color correction, little stuff like here, just to make the floors. Just to kind of fill those areas in. It's not a lot, and then we're going to get the coating down. So I've already mixed up the coating, and got to get ready to place a huge order of poly. And this is what we're going to be putting down, Aqua Pro. So I've already mixed it in the cross links, and yeah, guys. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, we just got back from lunch. Also been booking some consultations. Look at Miss Deidre's floors now, guys. Oh, she's about to come down and check it out. Just doing a little light color correction. Man, these floors look so. Come on down, Miss Deidre. Now I go get your camera.
Oh, okay.
I go get your camera.
Oh, this is awesome song.
You see how good that looks? Scratch is gone. Yes, ma'am.
That looks so much better.
So much better.
Yes.
And
Thank you.
you're welcome. And Mrs. Deidre actually.
Come down.
Huh?
Shoes.
Oh, you're fine. With house shoes, yeah.
Okay.
So Miss Deidre actually, also too, guys, that's why I love to showcase my work. Miss Deidre actually found me on TikTok. She said, Courtney, I saw your videos on TikTok. And, but yeah, man, these floors look amazing. She went with a low sheen Let me go back, guys. I'm gonna show you. Remember at the beginning of the video? Remember all those scratches? Look now. Remember all those scuff marks? You don't see any of those now. All right. So the screening breaks those top surface issues out of the floors, and you can just see how much better this floor looks. This floor looks amazing. And this is a beautiful stain. This is probably look like a mixture. It definitely like some. It was mixed. It like an ebony. Well, you remember the colors?
Of course not.
Okay, it's definitely either a Jacobean or ebony, probably mixed with like a walnut. So a lot of times people like to mix stains to give them like a unique color, and this floor looks amazing. You can actually see the grain of the wood now. Looks so much better. All right, guys. Well, that's gonna do it. What we're gonna do now is head back to Lawrenceville. I have a consultation to do in Lawrenceville. I have been building, today I've built 4 consultations where people just sending pictures and videos. Just like Miss Deidre, I didn't even come out and do a consultation here. She sent me pictures, gave her an estimate, and she said, let's do it, signed the proposal. And now you see her floors. All right, guys, thanks again for watching, and see you tomorrow. All right, thanks again. You're welcome.
Yeah.
This is what you were looking for?
Yes. And it's not shiny.
There you go. A lot of my clients do not like shiny floors.
Yeah.
Thank you.